Hey guys, welcome to our Retros channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover a LiFePO4 battery if it's stuck in protection mode. Let's go through the steps. You can try it to get it working again. First, if your battery isn't responding, the best way to start is by using a LiFePO4 charger. Make sure it's designed for this type of battery. When you connect the charger to the battery, it can help wake it up from protection mode. Give it 30 to 60 minutes to see if the battery starts showing signs of life, like the charger or the battery indicator changing. If you don't have the charger, you can try other methods. If you have solar panels, use them with a controller to give the battery the right amount of power. Alternatively, you can connect an identical 12-volt battery in parallel for about 10 minutes. This helps replenish the depleted battery. After disconnecting, if its voltage reaches about 12 volts, it should be ready for normal charging with a charger. While you are trying to recover the battery, always check for any damage. If the battery is bulging, leaking, or smells strange, stop immediately. Remember to always priority safety. Don't let the battery charge go below 20%, and if you are not using it, store it in a cool, dry place with around 50% charge. That's it. If these methods don't work, you might need to contact customer support. Thanks for watching.